The Raft Planterline Installation Guide. For more detailed install information, make sure to follow the best practices on the Planterline Install Guide. Use the panel IDs to locate the correct component into the correct position. Position your panels and apply gasket tape to one of the joining edges. This is essential to stop water leakage and create a sealed join. When installing on uneven ground, packers may be required to achieve a level top return. Use a spirit level to ensure the tops and front faces of the panels are perfectly aligned. This ensures clean joins across the entire run. Secure the panels using M8 fixings. Be sure to include washers on both sides of the join for maximum stability. For concrete fixed planters, fix down using M10 through bolts